Hey Nancy, why are you sitting alone?
I just needed some space to think.
You look upset. Did something happen today?
Everything feels overwhelming. I cannot handle things.
You can share with me, I understand.
I tried hard, but things went wrong.
Failure is temporary, you are stronger inside.
It still hurts more than I expected.
Take your time, healing takes patience always.
Thank you. Your words really comfort me.
I am here, you are never alone.
Sometimes I feel completely lost and confused.
It's okay, everyone faces such moments sometimes.
I keep overthinking everything. It drains me.
Try focusing on solutions, not only problem.
I wish things were easier than this.
Hard times build strength and real character.
I feel tired of trying again daily.
Rest is important, don't be too harsh.
I just want peace in my mind.
Peace comes slowly, give yourself gentle time.
Your support really means a lot today.
True friends always stand beside you firmly.
I feel lighter after sharing everything now.
That's good, expressing emotions helps healing process.
I will try to stay positive again.
I believe you will overcome this phase.
Thanks for being patient and understanding always.
Anytime, I will always support you fully.
I am lucky to have you today.